Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the clip is true Prores Log and note the camera LUT and exposure settings. This matters because the log curve preserves highlight and shadow detail differently. Next, copy files to a fast SSD and verify checksums so you avoid dropped frames later. Then, create a timeline that matches the source. Same frame rate, resolution, and color space. Once done, you can apply a basic input LUT or disable automatic transforms to keep full latitude for grading. You now tackle primary correction. Start with white balance and exposure, using the waveform and parade to place highlights and midtones where they belong. This establishes a neutral baseline. Afterward, refine lift, gamma, and gain so skin tones sit correctly while retaining 1/4 shadow detail. That preserves texture. Once normalized, apply a gentle camera transform or a calibrated input LUT only if it improves neutral balance. This sequence ensures later creative moves behave predictably and do not clip important data. Finish by building your creative grade. Isolate faces or sky with tracked masks, tweak hue/saturation selectively, and introduce a filmic curve to taste. You want character without crushing details. Apply gentle sharpening between 0, 3 and 0, 6 and consider noise reduction only if needed. For delivery, export ProRes 422HQ or 4444, matching timeline color space. Embed LUTs separately. If you hit banding, noise, or odd artifacts, check color bit depth, timeline/monitor transforms, and clear render cache. Those fixes usually resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.